Welcome to the virtual tour of unit number 5 at 47 Hamilton Street in Niddrie. Unit 5 is within a complex of 15 luxury townhouses with a double lock-up garage, and sits directly in front of the gate, as it's a gated community arrangement. Let's go inside. The property has a crim-safe security door and is set amongst 3 levels with bedrooms on the lower and mid levels and the living area on the top level. On the bottom level of this townhouse, there is 2 bedrooms, a shared bathroom and the large separate laundry. This is bedroom 2. It's got brand new carpets and the property has been freshly painted. There is lockout roller blinds on the windows, with also mirrored built-in rooms as well. Bedroom 3 is similar to bedroom 2. Again, brand new carpets and freshly painted. Roller blockout blinds, as well as the mirrored built-in robes. The shared bathroom downstairs has a large wall mirror, single basin, vanity and stone benchtops. We've got the large sized shower, beach lamps, and toilet. As we go into the laundry downstairs, there is a large linen press just on the outer side of the laundry. The laundry is a great size with the trough there, plenty of room for washing machine, dryer side by side, whether it's front loader or top loader, as well as popping some shelving or benches in here. And this leads you out to a courtyard, again with a crim-safe door, washing line, and out into the very low maintenance courtyard. The middle level, the same level as the front door, has the main master bedroom and the entrance from the garage into the property. The garage is a large double garage with a roller door. All of the items within the garage will be removed prior to tenancy. This is the main bedroom, master bedroom. Again, brand new carpets and has been freshly painted. Split system heating and air conditioning. Ensuite with walk-in robes, plenty of shelving and cupboard space, as well as double glass doors with lockout blinds that takes you out to a balcony that overlooks a reserve. Absolutely beautiful views. We are now in the ensuite bathroom that is directly off the main bedroom. There is a freestanding mirror as well as a shower. As we go up to the upper level, we have a powder room to the right. Beautiful flooring, polished floorboards, again freshly painted. This is the living area. Split system heating and air conditioning, blockout blinds on all windows. Open plan taking us out into the kitchen area, and the lounge room again has a beautiful large entertainment balcony with beautiful views to the reserve. This is the open plan kitchen area. Space there for a dining table. The kitchen has glass splashbacks, stone benchtops, soft closing cupboards and drawers, pantry, a window that overlooks the balcony and the views, double sink, dishwasher, all SMEG appliances. The stove has just been replaced. For viewing the virtual tour at 547 Hamilton Street in Niddrie. If you have any questions regarding this property, please give me a call. I look forward to hearing from you and have a great day. Thank you.